If you're looking for something fun to do with your kids or grandkids this summer, we have the perfect solution. So this kit that I'm showing you right now is the Animal Friends Scrapbook Kit. It has everything you need. This is a fun little 8x8 paper album. Paper so they can decorate or mount their own photos. It has fun little stickers of animals and outdoors things, sun. Comes in a cute little pocket that you can put it in. It also has some foam stickers that you can add to it. Again, cute how it comes to you. Fun little paper clips. Washi tape, every kid loves washi tape. Their own little colorful pens to color, decorate, journal, whatever they want to do. A really nice adhesive pen. This one's nice and fat so little kids can use it easily. It's got a nice big tip on it. So this one's a lot of fun and easy for little kids. And some fun little embellishments that they can add to their album as well. This is just a great way, the kits are $30, a great way to enjoy some quality time with your kids, your grandkids, your nieces, your nephews over the summer. We also have Cool Vibes, which is a totally different look to the album and to your stickers. And we also have Totally Awesome. So in this video, you'll be able to see what they look like on the inside, but I just wanted to share with you these 3 kits. Just a really fun thing to do this summer.
Do you think this is something easy enough for other kids to do?
Yeah.
Do you think they'd enjoy it?
Maybe.
What's your favorite part?
Getting to cut the pictures.